Hey, good morning. This is Quan. It's Tuesday, July 11th. So we got the seventh month, 11th day, and a 7 year. So we're 7-11. Yeah, the cosmos has jokes. You drop the S in cosmic and you get comic. So here's a 7-11. You might feel like we're in a dice game. So, because this is a game. And the more that you play with it, the more that you lean into all the feels. That's why we have a mind. We have a mind so we can research the roots of our feelings. And with Venus sattling close to the Earth to go retrograde, uh, now she was evening star October 22nd at the very last degree of Libra. And so we've been learning a lot of lessons in fairness and redemption and balance and equilibrium and harmony. And then that'll continue until August 13th. Now, when she goes retrograde, she doesn't go retrograde until the 23rd, so we still have 12 more days. But she's moving close to the Earth, and she's moving from her yin lover evening star, which you can still see her in the skies, to her yang warrior energy. This 7-11 today, with the moon in Taurus today and tomorrow, 11th and 12th, we can feel a sense of really coming into our more warrior, earthy roots. Now, I've just written a whole blog on Mars and Athena being in earthy Virgo, so be sure to read that as well. And hey, I'm really looking into kind of separating a little bit of the site where what is just given to everyone and then finally getting into paid subscriptions. So let me know what you think and feel, more importantly, about the Cosmos has jokes. Mars and Athena in Virgo. That's the latest blog. And this is Quan out and enjoy your Tuesday.